Hi everyone, my name is Donita and today I'm going to design a business card. I know we probably won't be using business cards these days because of the situation, but I'm sure this tutorial might help you when you guys need to design a business card for a business. Yeah, so let's go straight into it. So let's search up business card. Here you go. There's many options here. Let's actually choose a round one since that's more unique. Because normally it's just like the rectangle. Obviously there's many beautiful templates, but let's start from scratch. Okay, for this business card, we're going to be promoting a cookware brand. So let's do that. This is actually a business that I made up. It was more for a passion project, so I just created that one. I actually made a fake website here. It's called Zella. But anyway, let's go back. So let's get the logo, which is somewhere here. Awesome. Let's go back. And so this is the logo. It's really nice. Yeah, so this font size called Holiday. Okay, so this page is going to be the front of the business card, and this one is going to be the back. So let's start with the front. Okay, so I want it to be basically simple. So I want the logo to be pretty prominent. We need to put the cookware bar here. So let's get a font, get a subheading, and I'm gonna make it black. If you guys are interested in how I did a logo design for a construction sort of playhouse company, that's my previous tutorial. You can feel free to see the card above. Okay, so I want to put some sort of background, so I'm going to get a grid. Yeah, so that's good, very clean. And let's go and do the back. So obviously copy the logo. And now let's get some information about the business. So normally for business card, normally you would put the address, obviously the store number. Yeah, so address, phone number, website, that's usually what a business card usually has. Like that's the basic information. So let's just go with that. We'll see change with the font to make it more minimalistic. So let's use something simple. So let's just get a fake address. Okay, so I just got this random address from this store in America. Obviously it's like a general store, but I'm just going to use it for this tutorial. Obviously not planning to, it's obviously fake, so hopefully no one sues me. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. I want to add something. It sort of feels like something's missing, so let me find something. Okay, I just feel like maybe instead of marble, maybe we should get a picture of a cookware. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah. Let's see what it looks like on Canva, the mockups. Yeah, so that's what it will look like. Okay, so let's download this. PNG. Yeah, so that's the end, guys. So I'm gonna put this into a mockup so you can see what it will look in real life or when it's printed. But anyway, hope you found this tutorial helpful. It's very short and sweet, but if there's any other tutorial you want me to do, let me know. I wish you guys a productive week and I'll talk to you soon.